like a couple inches every time you push, but maybe. Oh yes. This is gonna be a good snook, I think. What is this? What is this? Oh. Oh no. Oh my. Oh, this is something pretty good. Hasn't surfaced yet. It's probably a redfish then. Dog, stop barking, dude. Holy crap. Oh. This has got to be a good red. This is the stuff you don't catch when you're using live shrimp. Just saying. Ooh. Buddy, you need to calm down. Can't have you go in the mangroves. Oh. Woo-hoo. Nah, Tarpon would have went airborne 5 times by now. It's got to be a good red. It's the only thing I think of. Maybe a good jack? I don't know. Okay. I can't tell what it is. I want to see what it is. Heads up, watch your line, watch your line. No, we don't want to go in there. No, we don't. Have you seen it yet? No. Neither have I. It's frustrating. No, no, no. Can you try to paddle us back by any chance?
Towards it or back?
Back, like, because this thing's like right, it's trying to get in the mangroves. Oh my gosh. Buddy is ticked. Whew. Looks like a jack. I think it's a jack. No, I think it's a jack. Yeah, it's a jack. That's fine. You're good. I think is it a red or a jack?
Big red.
I can't tell because this glare is so frustrating.
Big red.
You think? Could have swore it was a jack, but could be wrong. Yeah, I don't know if a jack would fight this long. Oh, where are you going? Yeah, really nice red. Nice red. Yep. Oh, that's pushing the other one. Oh, oh, yes, sir. That's pushing the other one. Seriously,
yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Things are incredible. How strong they are.
Don't wear out.
No, they do not. He must be hooked well, though. Whew.
There's the jack.
Oh my gosh. Dude. I thought it was a jack because it was so big. This is the kind of stuff you don't catch on live shrimp. I know I already said it, but ooh, that's a good one. That might be bigger than the other one. Oh my gosh, that is, dude, that is really good. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Jeez, this thing is crazy. 10-pound braid, 30-pound fluoro. I've noticed that the big ones like jerk baits and swim baits, and then the little ones like the little shrimp. I'm just saying. Dude, is he gonna do this again? Yes, he is. Oh, that's the kayak. Oh, that's the kayak. Okay. Okay, we're going this way. All right. Dude, that is... You wanna try to...
The other one. Bigger head, bigger everything. That's huge. That's bigger than the other one. Look
Is
at
it?
the weight of his head. Oh, yeah. Look at the weight of that head.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
What do you think, 32?
Yeah.
32 inches? Big bull head. Pretty dots. This thing's huge.